Morning guys, lovely sunny day here in London, as you can see. So just got a phone call. This phone call I've been waiting for all week. Getting a delivery on a wrecked 2010 Ford Focus ZETEC S. So let's go check it out, see what damages we've got, see what we need to order, and let's get this show on the road. Okay guys, so delivery guy has just dropped off the car, got my key, so here it is. Let's check it out. So the first thing I've noticed is we've got a dead battery. Pressing the button, nothing's happening, so I've got to sort that out. I can see the passenger front wing is gone. Tyres are pretty shot. Gonna need to order some of those. Alloys a bit scuffed up. We're gonna have to sort that out. Got some damage to the passenger side doors. Looks like I'm going to need a side skirt, or maybe we can repair that. I don't know. I'll check it out. On the rear quarter, got some damage there. On the boot lid, got a little bit of damage. Now this is the main damage I was a bit concerned about. Rear quarter, driver's side pushed in. That might be a bit tricky, but I'm sure we'll be able to sort it out. Other than that, car's in good nick. Right. Oh, it's my lucky day. Just missing a couple of bits. Found them in the trunk. Happy days. So guys, in the comment section below, let me know what you think of my new 2010 Ford Focus ZETEC S. So what I want to try to do now is try to remove this damaged wing panel. Have a look under there, see if we can find any other damages or anything. Any nasty surprises, hopefully not. Got the wing coming in the post, got the rear bumper coming in the post, but I've got the headlight inside the car. So let's take this off and see if we can fit this headlight. Slight change of plan. I'm going to leave the passenger side wing on for the moment, simply because we're waiting on the parts. So once the parts come in, we'll get all of that sorted. Managed to fit the headlight. That works, that fits, no problems. There's no nasty surprises underneath. There's no frame damage on the top. Got a little crack on the headlight there, but I'm sure we'll be able to sort that out. Other than that, our little turbocharged FORD Focus is coming along quite nicely so far. Right guys, so I'm currently parked outside H&A Autos in Hackney, East London, and they're going to be the ones doing the work on the car. So if you need anything done in Hackney or in and around the East London area, come down, see Mustafa at H&A Autos. They're the best. But they're closed at the moment, so I'm just gonna wait here. Once he comes in, I'll take him to see the car and he can tell me a bit more about what we need to get this car sorted. Right guys, so we're here at H&A Autos and I've got a special delivery. Inside this packaging, it should be my bumper, my rear bumper for the 2010. So in this packaging should be my rear bumper for my 2010 Ford Focus ZETEC S. Let's see. So let's continue with the rest of the teardown of this 2010 Ford Focus. So guys, we're going to be, over the next couple of weeks, we're going to be repairing this car. We're going to try to get it back to a high standard, and hopefully we're going to sell it on. And hopefully you join me for the ride. So if you've liked what you've seen today, make sure you subscribe, press the bell notification so you always know when I post new videos, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace. I just want to say guys, thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you click subscribe, and if you've got any dreams or any ideas that you want to take forward, just roll with it. It took me a while to start my YouTube channel and, you know, get on to doing things, and I've always doubted, oh, will it work, will it not work? But the best thing you can do is just go on ahead and just make things happen. You know, you're in control of wherever your destiny goes, and I say that all the time to my friends, some of my family. Some listen, some don't, but you have to just make sure that you're in control of whatever it is that you want to do. You know, you'll always have a sure bet in yourself. So yeah, thanks for watching today, guys. I guess this is where we'll end it, and stay tuned.